Hello, my name is CJ with the Florida Trail Stompers, bringing you your Tuesday tip of the week. Today, folks, we're going to touch briefly on tire rotation and why we do it. As you know, our off-road rigs go through a lot of mileage, like our everyday drivers go through a lot of mileage. It's very important to every 5,000 to 6,000 miles you rotate your tires. There's two main rotations that I'm going to talk about real briefly, and that's going to be on the four-wheel drive vehicles such as Venom, four-wheel drive pickup trucks, whatever the case may be. There's two options you have. One option is the bolt back tires come straight to the front, and the front two tires crisscross going to the back. No problem. That's method one. Method two, sometimes these shops do, is the back tires come to the front crisscrossed, and the front tires go straight to the back. There's also other methods in types of rotations. Please, I suggest you to contact your shop and ask them for their advice as to which method would be best for your rig that you use on the trails. And remember, folks, alignments, very important. Venom goes out of alignment a lot. I'm constantly bringing those tire toe-in specs back into alignment. Please, make sure you get your alignments if you feel something going on with the front end, like if it pulls to one side or the other. Please make an appointment to get that thing fixed. It's going to add to the wearability on the tires. It's going to wear either the inside or the outside. And after all, folks, these tires that we have on our four-wheel drive vehicles is very expensive. So please, make sure you keep those things checked. Until next time, this is CJ with the Florida Trail Stompers. God bless you and your family. I hope to see you out on the trail soon. Take care. Bye-bye.